Okay, so I think everyone has joined right now. Today, Aaron is want to tell their journey, how he is selected for the RIMC. Okay, yeah. Please, Aaron, continue.
So in the starting when I joined the institute Wings of Dreams Education, I was means not knowing anything and was not sure about my selection. But the time passed until I came to this stage. Wings of Dreams Education has really helped me to reach this stage. And also there was a lot of things. Uh,
Hello, Aryan.
that and my father and my whole family also.
Ma'am, you can join with Aryan. You can sit beside him. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah, and yeah, everyone, any parents that you want to ask any question with Aryan, you can ask freely, no issues. Okay. So got the marvelous 50 and he's got the admission tomorrow in RAMC. Finally, the journey is going to be end here. And a new journey is going to be begin from tomorrow. Congratulations, Aryan, from my end. And yeah, other people you can ask. Okay.
Good evening. Yes, Aaron. Anything else do you want to tell about? You should tell how much means how much efforts you have made to achieve this. Can you tell about it?
Yes.
How much struggle have you done? And how, yeah, from beginning to end, our student want to know that how have you cracked this exam? They want to get some inspiration with you.
Okay,
Anything
so
else?
means the preparation for this exam is very different from the normal school life. When I was in school, means the study load was not so much, but after coming here, I understood like what levels of study is needed. So there is struggle. Means you have to learn a lot of things. You have to means keep up with your mathematics and then also your language in English. My sir was there. He means
Okay, yes. Can you tell the name of the sir?
yes. My sir's name was Kshitij sir.
Okay.
So he used to means teach us means there were my friends also. So he used to teach us like very dedicatedly, and we all also used to learn means eagerly. We have to have some passion for going there. If we don't have any passion for RIMC, we cannot crack this exam. However, our teachers try for us.
Okay. 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 Any tips and tricks that you want to give the our student that they can go through that?
Tips and tricks.
Yeah. Any tips? Any formula? Any trick that you have? Yeah, that you have gone through that,
Yes,
and
the most important thing is practice. The more you practice, the more confident you be, and the more better you do in exam. And anyways, means the sirs and teaching staff means know more than me. They can give you other tips, but yes, practice is the most important.
okay, okay. Tell me about the interview. How was it? Your RIMC interview?
The interview means it's not too difficult. They do not expect much from a 11 to 13-year-old boy. And means they just want to interact with us and know about how we live. Means they just want to interact with us.
Okay. So, any message that you want to give our vote aspirant that they can achieve it?
Yes, means achieving means you have to just practice and be confident in your answers.
Okay. And how was your routine when you were preparing for RIMC?
Yes, at first the class was before COVID. The class was scheduled at 12 p.m. to 7 to 8 p.m. Means 8 hours class in which we had 1 hour lunch. So our sir, Kshitij sir, taught us means divided the time into the three subjects. Mainly we did maths and English, and mostly at the end of the day, the sir would teach us GK, and then our homework would be solving more and more questions, means just practicing more and more.
Okay. So, okay, so now tomorrow your dream is going to be come true, right?
Yes.
So how much you have excitement?
My excitements have no bounds.
Okay. Yes, so that's why we are today in Dehradun, right?
Yes.
Okay, hey Aryan, please tell me that how many hours you study in a day, please. Jyoti Kamle's question is there.
Okay, so studying means I don't know of means after COVID, but
Hmm.
the before COVID situations, our tuitions means classes were at least 6 to 7 hours of study, and then homework would count for 4 to 5 hours. So means at least 12 hours of each day study should be there.
Okay, how do you do the your study for RMS exam? Sorry, RIMC exam, and how much hours to you study in one day? Jeevan Jadhav question is there.
Okay, so means studying, sir used to teach us from the reference means books, and we used to do the exercises from it, and the various chapters we used to solve. And the previous 10 years question paper RIMC had provided, that also we used to do. Means we used to put time, and within the time limit we used to means also increase our speed with accuracy, so that
Okay.
we will be more accurate and more confident in the real exam.
Okay, next question is there, Aryan. So nowadays, how can we cooperate with school studies and RMS studies? Sorry, and RIMC studies.
When I was there, there was a school means from this Wings of Dreams, Nehru Convent School. So
Okay.
that school cooperates with us in our RIMC schedule. So what happened? The COVID means the exam which I gave in September 2020. That school exams were also there. So because of that exam, the school postponed the means its semester exams, and they cooperated with me so that I could study more and effectively for RIMC.
Okay, next question is there, Savita Tanwar. You are ideal role model for other. Please share your important tips to all other students.
Sorry.
Yeah, I'm repeating. You are ideal role model for other. Okay, please share your important tips to all other students that they can go through that.
Important tips means
Yes.
means it's nothing but practice. The more you practice, the more better you become. Yes, you should engage yourself in studies in such a way that it is your brother or a friend and you are playing with it continuously without knowing about the time. You should have passion about means studying and going into RIMC. Just studying doesn't count. You should have some will to study.
Okay, Rajkumari Manohar question is there. How many hours do you study in a day?
I told 12 hours.
12 plus. Okay. Okay, let me see. Any other question is there? Okay. How much time did you dedicate for each subject?
Especially the hardest subject which I felt was English, and means maths was just a matter of is just a matter of practice. The more we practice, the more better we become. So I studied more English, and in English I used to study more like writing part because I was weak at it. So I made myself strong. So if anyone means if the students are weak at mathematics, you should make it strong and not forget your strong points also. Means you should just develop yourself more. Your weak point should be means studied more, then you will become perfect at it.
Okay. Which subject did you prioritize the most? Which one
English.
is okay? Why?
Because means in my first attempt I failed at English and the second also same. So in
Okay.
the third I had to score much more in English to means pass that exam.
Okay. For English preparation, have you gone through which kind of material?
Material my sir used to provide, means I
Okay.
didn't search for the material myself.
Okay. Okay. Thanks for reply. Best wishes for your next journey in RIMC
Thank you.
through Savita Tanwar. Okay. Is anyone there that wanna ask the question? Hmm. Okay. How you attempt 3 times?
How I attempt 3 times?
It's usual chance, right? Everyone
Yes,
get the three
everyone gets
attempts.
3 attempts. Some people get
Cause
2 attempts due to their birth date.
their birth
but
date.
Usually
Yeah.
they get 3 attempts.
Yes. Okay. So, ma'am, how much we should study for RIMC?
12 plus hours.
Okay, okay, yeah. Is anyone there? Okay. Did you target any area related to sports?
Not much because study load was much more and that I had to focus on study much more than schools. But yes, I also used to play, means usually I used to play many indoor sports such as chess and all that. Badminton
Okay.
also.
Okay. I have question that which subject when you sit for study. Okay, that if you suppose if any subject is hard, so how much time you give for them?
No, it's upon understanding. If you find it
Okay.
hard, means I usually asked my doubt to sir, and means it's upon understanding. If you understand it in 10 minutes and you practice it, then it's 1 hour time. But if it takes longer for you to understand, it may take much more. It's upon understanding. You should understand your concept and then only attempt any practice. Because
Okay.
without understanding, nothing can be done.
Yes. Have you taken any books help or you focused on what your teacher teached?
Yes, I also focused on what my teacher taught, and my sir, Kshitij sir told me to get R.D. Sharma's books, which I brought of 8th standard, and not much.
Okay. How did you cope up with GK?
GK, my means newspaper also I read, and my sir means he had a means big book from
Okay.
which he gave us GK.
Okay. Which subject do you like the most?
Well, my favorite is mathematics.
Okay, so according to that, mathematics is your subject. So how much question you can solve in a day?
In a day means I can solve like 50 to 60 question I used to solve.
Okay,
Yeah.
50,
Yes.
50 to 60 question I didn't like to solve because maths is his favorite subject. Okay, what's your age?
13.
Yeah. Okay. Any question? Yeah, he has told he like the math subject. Okay, were the GK questions more from contemporary time or past?
Past means there are a lot of questions. It comes from the history, geography, then means recent also questions are come means it's a vast area from which
Yeah.
questions come.
Okay, which books did you refer for GK?
I did not refer for GK any books. Kshitij sir used to give GK which we wrote down in a book and learnt it. Yes, Manasvi ma'am was also there. After COVID, she came for online classes.
Can you tell me? Can you tell me that how you do your interview?
Interview means
Yes.
basically it is means there are some simple questions you can sit in front of the mirror, make yourself more confident and comfortable. That's what you have to do for the interview.
Okay. Where did you get 50 to 60 questions from maths, the practice questions?
The R.D. Sharma book has ample amount of questions.
Okay, so you are referring the R.D. Sharma book
Yes.
to go. Okay. Okay. Someone is saying that it's hard. Is it hard? It was hard for you to go through the RIMs in your RIMC journey?
Yes, it
Anything
was.
that you feel have you felt that any subject is there that is making you, yes, it one is a harder and I can't crack it?
Yes, English subject was the one that made me felt nervous every means not every time, but at the third attempt it was English which worried me the most because from my practice I knew that I would succeed in mathematics and GK easily, but English was the one which made me nervous.
Okay, what can you say about your interview and how they ask questions in the interview, in your RIMC interview?
Like I told, they will just want to interact with you, some basic questions about yourself, your introduction, your background. That will be asked, and then your family background, where do you means, what are your hobbies? That only will be asked, nothing much more. And then why will you want to join RIMC? And then if yes, some logical brain teasers
Yes.
which make
Okay.
us feel nervous means on the spot
Okay.
questions.
Okay, what's your message for the aspirants? Some of them lose hope easily. Sometimes it happens. Student do give up like that. So, any message that you want to give for our aspirants?
Yes, it is not that easy. I mean, once I also thought because when I did not knew of RIMC, I also thought that it is easy. But after giving my first paper, I came to know what level it is.
Okay, which question was hard to answer in your interview? Is anything?
No.
Okay, no. Like which you have not answered. Which question was hard to answer in your interview? Yeah, ma'am is saying that nothing was hard for him.
They do not means they just want to interact. They will ask simple questions which everyone will know.
Okay, and what about medical? Would you like to share the journey? How was it? Please.
Means overall it was like easy one. Not
Okay.
means nothing. They will only do some simple tests. Nothing more than that.
Okay, okay. Okay, during your interview, any means they have asked that kind of question that is making you that you need to be skip it and you should not answer. You should
No,
not
they will
need to
not
be
ask.
give the
Means they
answer.
sometimes ask some brain teasers like
Okay.
some options between who will you who will you choose and that all. But that's all spontaneous answers which you will have to give. Nothing much difficult they will ask them.
Okay, is the interview so important?
Yes, it is. You have to get 50% of it, otherwise you will fail.
Yes, after crack the written exam, there is a second stage is your interview, and after the third is your medical. In interview, can you tell that which type of question and interview it has been done? How much time you are taking to solve each maths problem?
2 to 3 minutes, max to max, for
Max
long
to
problems.
max. Okay.
Like 5 number problems, 1 to 2 minutes.
Okay. What do you want to become if you grow?
I have not thought of it right now.
Okay. So tomorrow is really a very, very important day for you, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So, is before going to in the RIMC that there will be some resolution or anything that have you planned that I will make it, and is anything that you want to feel proud to give family as a just like that feeling and all clicking in your mind?
Means resolutions is like, firstly, I don't know, and I have
Okay.
heard that they are very strict. So, firstly, my first resolution will be that I will follow all their rules. I will try to follow as much as I can and be means as much perfect. And then once I'm used to it, then I will make some big goals.
Okay. Is the question paper hard? In RIMC English Maths GK section is there.
Yes,
So
English should be looked at. Means it should be answered very
okay.
carefully, and maths questions also should be answered very carefully. They means
Yes.
tangle the questions in such a way that we get confused sometimes.
Okay. Asking, is your medical done? Yes, ma'am. He is done with medical, and tomorrow he is going to take the admission in RIMC. That's why he is in Dehradun right now. Okay. Any last question, please? Okay. What basically been checked in medical nowadays? It's the
Full body checkup, you can do them. That's all what medical is all about. They will just want to check that all your body is functioning nicely. There is also means the RIMC has sent the medical means thing means which you have to be
okay.
along.
ओके आप विंग्स ऑफ ड्रीम से कब कनेक्ट हुए?
February 2019.
ओके ओके आर्यन यू लुक सो कॉन्फिडेंट बेस्ट विशिंग यू बेस्ट
Thank you.
God bless you. You deserve this glory. Kudos. How much time do you spend studying? You have told, right? 8 to 10 hours, right?
Um,
Okay. You have got second rank in India. How you feel? Feel hoga, yeah.
I don't feel like so much. My mother feels very proud of me.
You are not feeling
No, means I am also feeling
that you have got the second rank in all over India in RIMC.
Yes, I was sad that I missed the first one by 3 marks.
Oops. So okay. How was Votes learning?
Sorry.
Wings of Dreams learning.
Wings of Dreams learning. It was means nice.
Okay. Congratulations. Sujata is there. Okay. Okay, any last message that you want to give? Okay. How do you manage school and board learning?
School is not a big task because they cooperate with you. Means they do not come in between the RIMC preparations.
Okay, so now I would like to do request to his mother. Here is Aryan mom is there. So please ma'am be there with him. It's really a very good moment. Okay, someone is asking, okay, yeah ma'am, please. How much weight is needed for Weight? How much weight is needed?
45 kg.
Okay, 45 kg. Okay, here's Aaron mother. Yeah, ma'am, please. Would you like to say something? How are you feeling right now that your son has achieved
I'm
that one
actually on the
thing?
sense cloud. I'm very happy for my son, and I'm a proud mother right now.
Okay.
And I want to see him on the top of like that level that everyone can say yes, he is Aryan.
Okay. Ma'am, please tell us some tips and tricks that the parents should do with their child to crack it or to help in study and all.
Yeah, taking their GK problems, I used to take his GK regularly.
Okay.
So, and he's doing everything by his own. There is no need to, because he was so dedicated for his studies and he knows the importance of RMC, and he was so dedicated. So, there is no need much, no efforts I have taken for that. Actually, me and his father, we both were so, he knows that his parents want him always with him.
Hmm.
So he did everything by his own. And I'm really a very proud mother right now.
Really. So tomorrow he's going. So how are you feeling for him, ma'am?
I'm actually from, there are 2 years in my eyes. One is for
Yes.
happiness and one is for sad, that I love him so much and I cannot, means I cannot stay without him actually. But for his
Yes.
career and betterment of his life, it is important for him to go there, for me fulfill my own dreams plus his dreams.
Yes. Any message that you want to give the parents to make their child strong and to help them in study, जैसे कि वो भी आर्यन की तरह ही बने.
Yes, actually, the child should be, actually, first of all, the child should be so much dedicated like my son. And another thing, don't pamper your son for this thing. Just tell him what is the importance, but don't pamper him. And follow the instruction of teachers, that what they want to say and they how they want them to study. That is enough.
Okay. To whom you give credit of the success?
Actually, the credit of success goes to Aryan only, because he was very much, really very much successful, and he used to do his study by his own. And the another thing is, Kshitish sir is also there, and English ma'am, Natasha ma'am, she is also involved. Even Manasvi ma'am. This teacher, I have seen that they help Aryan so much. Every time they used to guide Aryan that what he has to do, and they supported them a lot. So these three teachers are very much helpful.
Okay. Yes. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Aryan, how was your routine? Yeah, when you sit for study, your day two and routine, because you know nowadays student use their phone, gadgets and all. I got the complaint from the parents that you know okay, lecture on hai and they are playing the video and all like that. So yeah, anything positive thing that you do and we want to give the upcoming RAMC aspirant that they can go through that.
Okay, so first of all means I would like to advise that all the TV and this that should be means completely removed out, banished from the house until the exams over.
Okay.
So and means yes, I also used to do like some of fidgeting with my phone sometimes, but not that frequent. Means studies is must, and you should study every time. Means you should keep studying to make yourself perfect.
Okay. Any physical activity do you do during the study?
Yes, skipping and running means it should be kept up with, because if you do not keep up with it, then it can create a problem to you.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Do you want to tell about the sports? Yeah.
Sports.
Yeah. Any sports game that is your favorite?
Yes, badminton I used to play. Then cricket also I used to play. Chess also. Means these games I used to play, and they are
Okay.
my favorite.
Okay. Now I would like to invite the Aaron's parents. There is a father is there. So please, sir, be there. Hello. Good evening, sir.
Hi.
Yes.
Hello, everyone.
Yes, sir. Please.
Tell me.
You have full trust on all the teacher. Yes, sir. Please share about that. How are you feeling right now for Aryan as a father?
It's a very proud moment for us as a family. And if you have any vision from this age, it's one of it which we are going to achieve. And this is not only his vision, but it's a family vision, we can call it. So that is what is going to be completed by tomorrow's admission.
Okay. Yes. Okay. What topic in math is your favorite, Aryan?
Mensuration.
Mensuration is favorite. Okay, sir. Please say last any two lines for the parents are there, so they can help their child also कि उनको भी आर्यन जैसा ही बच्चे को सिलेक्शन मिले. Yes.
The point is, you always have to be focused.
Okay.
The focus is not about only the child has to study, but you have to gear up, telling him what he has to achieve in life. If he has a goal, you have a goal. When common goal is there, a teamwork happens, and the teamwork which happens at home or at any level, you'll achieve a result. So that is where you can come front, guide your child, not only by scolding or hating, that doesn't work, but at least a good guidance will help you out. A complete dedication is needed. That's what I can see.
Yes. Really, you are saying right. Okay. Yes. Anyone there that want to ask the question? Aryan's family is there. Yeah. I would like to invite his sister also.
Who
Yeah.
has been in
Yes.
engaging to entertain him in off time.
Yeah.
She's cute. She helps
Okay.
him to nurture himself beyond his studies.
And
Okay.
Aryan is such a good boy that he used to, apart from his study, he used to help his sister also in studies.
Absolutely.
And she used to give him a little break in between his studies. So for that purpose, Pari was very great. And I don't know how she will live after he will go for RMC.
Okay.
It will be very difficult for all of us to stay without him.
Okay. Does board fulfill your need? Okay. Okay. Any last message that there is a full family of Aryan is there that you want to give and that you want to give him blessing for tomorrow that you want to wish him is like that he should go that like that to start his new journey. There will be some ups and downs will be there. So any thing that you want to tell him that Aryan you should go just like that as a family, please. Is the test of Wings of Dreams education was hard?
Tests.
Yeah.
Yes, means they are like RIMC level only. They are just to means gear up yourself and means help us to become more confident for the real exam which is there. They make us understand what type of questions will come, what matter the exam matter and how the exam will be.
Okay. Okay. Anything that you want to say about Wings of Dreams education that other students that you want to refer? Why
Right, yeah.
why have you joined Wings of Dreams education? What have you got there?
Means I can say that Wings of Dreams education means the teaching staff and all the faculties are like dedicated for their work. Unlike other teachers, which I've also seen outside, the Wings of teaching staff and faculties are like more helpful and also like dedicated for us.
Here, I would like to add one thing over here. Wings of Dreams is a professional team which works together with the student. The student, they give every milestone, they give the support, they guide towards the final goal what they wanted. So each milestone, if you want something to be helped out, this is the team which will help you out. That's what he got it.
They always want everyone to have towards it.
Yes.
Each and every student want successful in their future.
Any करें last अच्छा लगे.
Another thing I would like to add here in the faculty is very important in in each and every student's life. If they will get good teachers, they can see the future, they can see the success. Here in Wings of Dreams Education's faculty, all the faculty members which I have seen, they are very much dedicated. Mostly, Kshitish sir is very much dedicated. Means if you call him by 2 o'clock also, he can solve your questions. And he is really a person. He is good. There is no words actually. He is so good enough for each and everything. He solve your these students' problems, not only students, but there are some problems which are connected to our personal life. He also try to solve that, and he always give help to students to how to achieve their goals, and which is very important. That's it.
Okay. Okay. So we should say all the very, very best to Aryan for tomorrow. Okay. So yeah, Aryan, any last word that you want to say? We are going to be end this session.
All the best to everyone, every aspirant who is giving the RIMC exam from my side.
Okay. Here is Pranit is truly inspired by you, Aryan.
Yes, I know him.
Okay.
His mother also called my mother, and I also used to talk to him.
Okay. So we are going to end this session. I hope everyone has enjoyed it, and it was really the wonderful journey that Aryan has told us today. He has shared the wonderful memory with us. So it was a live stream with you. Tomorrow he's going for his new journey. Yeah, he's going in RIMC Dehradun. So Wings of Dreams education team wish him all the very best for his good luck, for his good future. May you get everything in your life, all the best. Wings of Dreams is always with you after that.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Aryan.
Thank you.
Sure.